Updating your legal name on Luno is a straightforward process that can be completed quickly. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Luno account by entering your credentials on the Luno website or app. Make sure you have your account information handy. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once loaded in, go to your Profile Settings. This is usually found in the account menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Name Change option. Look for the option to change your name or personal details. Click on this option to begin the process of updating your legal name. Step 4. Provide required documentation. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Submit your request. After uploading the necessary documents, review your changes and submit your request. You should receive a confirmation email once your request is processed. Once you've completed these steps, your legal name on Luno should be updated shortly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Luno's customer support for assistance.